parang home court na rin natin ito.
Well, isang karangalan talaga ma-represent yung Pilipinas, yung bansa natin. Honestly, sa time ngayon, kailangan talaga natin to para mapag-isa. And basketball is the best way to do it. To unite us as one. So, thank you so much to Osaka Visa for allowing me to be here.
Ray, slow start for us. Nalamangan tayo in the first quarter, but you took it upon yourself to be extra aggressive with your shooting as well.
Well, whatever the team needs for me to do, I'll do. Whether it may be lock down the defender or to make some shots for the team or spray the ball, get everybody involved, I'll do it. And like I said, it's a great feeling to represent the country.
Not a lot of games for this team to be together, but
right.
How did it finally feel to get that first one done?
First quarter was rough, but like I said, it feels good to get a W, but job's not done yet. Still got a lot more to do here.
Great. You're going for your, I think, fourth games.
2011 was the first one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But what do you say about that bid? How different is this from the others?
Well, Southeast Asia and whole is getting better. Basketball is more global, so you just got to rise up to the challenge and continue to just stay ahead of the curve.
Was it easy to say yes to because you're playing the SEA Games?
Definitely easy in a sense, but this wouldn't have happened without my mother team, which is Osaka Visa. And I don't just represent myself and my country, but I represent them, the B League also. And I'm truly proud and thankful that they allowed me to be here, honestly.
Right now about with your wife watching and as well as the huge crowd support.
I mean, like I said, it feels like home right now. Lahat ng mga kabayan natin nandito, lumabas sumuporta, lalo yung asawa ko, so it feels great. Tulad nga sabi ni Ru, 2011, and now married, 2 kids, family. It's a wonderful feeling to have that support. So appreciate them for that. Nothing without them.
Ray, about the potential of this team, kahit medyo hindi agad-agad na buo, little practice, but how do you see the potential of this team?
Hanggat nga di nag-jump ball, di ko alam kung buo pa rin. So papalit-palit ng lineup, to be honest, di ko talaga sure. So it's a blessing that, like I said, we got the first job done. Ayun, the first quarter done, and kailangan talaga mag-gel eh. Pero our identity talaga is defense. We need to make stops, stop the penetrations, and rebound, really. Yeah.
Great.
Thank you.